everyone. Let's know something about the raining season. Rainy season comes after the summer season and we also call as monsoon season. During this time, the sky looks cloudy with a heavy black cloud. Everywhere there are sounds of lightning with a huge tremendous thunder. We often see rainbow as well. Ponds, river and lake receive plenty of water. During the rainy season, it also helps farmers as they get plenty amount of water needed for good cultivation of crops. Rainy season also give us different kind of fruit such as peaches, plum, cherry and lychee. In order to protect ourselves from the rainwater, we use raincoat and umbrella. Many creatures can be seen during the raining season such as frog, snake, snail, centipede and earthworm. Thank you.